The long-term solution is just to cut it down and smother. And that's going to be the main goal of this project. There's still some vines coming over the fence here, so we need to clear it. Okay, some ivy, blackberry coming through the fence panels. Structurally, this pressure treated fence looks great. Still standing strong. But the cut down phase is just about done. Now we're gonna haul and install the fabric. Okay, a lot of work left to do, but the first 1 or 2 hours was mainly the cut down phase. More needs to be done. We still need to do the demo with the backside here. Okay, the customer is going to handle this area. We are scoped to just clear out this backside, and that's what we're here to do.